annoying. 2 secs. Let me turn up the little lo-fi music a little bit as well. There we go. YouTube. Market breakdown. Grab this link, send it to Discord, get some free views, and we're good to go. Shit, my bot. How was everyone's week last week? How did it go? Anyone take any decent trades? Or did everyone get absolutely destroyed?
Just one gold buy.
One gold buy. Yeah, I think quite a few people had trades on gold this week. It's quite nice.
Missed another buy towards the end of the week when it aligned with silver, but
yeah, that was oh no, shit, no, I took the 1 hour sell. Never mind. Little degen. Yeah, I've now does anyone do this thing where you have like the different layers? Oh god, I need to add all those to backtest.
Wait, what?
So you can add, if I add all these to my backtesting, so as you can see, I can turn all those off and I can turn on 1 hour, and this is just all my 1 hour stuff. I can turn it off and look at daily stuff.
That's sick. I know you.
Because I was obviously, when I'm looking at the daily and I'm seeing,
you don't want to see all that.
I'm seeing like this, while there's way more. It's impossible to find the levels and stuff. And when you got like all the back testing stuff as well, and then you've got fibs on as well, as you can see, it gets very messy.
Yeah, do that.
So nice little hack, because I can just switch it, so now I won't actually miss the like the 4 hour or daily trades. Oh damn, that tapped really nicely. Did that have a fib?
That was the silver.
The fib was awkward. I think we had like, yeah, that one. I don't know. I think I preferred this one.
I think that was a fib, but the zone was really wide. I think.
Yeah, I preferred that fib, unless you wanted to go like pretty damn aggressive on one of these, but I feel like that's forcing it a little bit. I don't think there was anything else. I think we potentially had alignment. That was a pretty big level for silver. Tapped into it though nicely. What gold buys? USD weakness. DXY was also at a sell level. Taps like Friday morning. Gold hit that buy late afternoon. Never mind. But anyway, let's go over what we're looking at for this week. So starting off with a bit of news. Also the bot for the news thing. I don't know if I've shown you guys. But basically it's like Forex Factory, but it's we used to have the bot basically. Let me show this. So we used just get rid of that face for now. Great, I don't think, oh, I deleted it. Yep, never mind. Okay, let me quickly show you guys. But this is going to be very fucking helpful. Extremely helpful. So we'll have like a daily calendar thing. So it'll come up with all the low, medium, high impact for, I mean, we'll just put it for high impact, I think, maybe medium as well, but it'll tell you the time and when it's releasing. And then also once it's released, it'll tell you the actual result. And then you can also click more info and it'll tell you like what it is and the frequency and stuff like that. And I'll show you, it also shows like the previous and consensus as well. 1 second. If I can find it. Wait for it. There you go. So that's another example. So you can see yeah, previous forecast and actual. So it basically gives you an alert 1 hour before news releases and then 5 minutes before news releases. So you'll get a reminder, and then as soon as it releases, it'll then update the actual so you can see it, which is pretty cool. So hopefully it should run. No, different guy. That guy just makes basic bots for like sending stuff to Discords, but this is an actual developer dude. Oh god. But hopefully we'll see. Should be kind of cool. Okay, right, let's get to it. Shit, no, I was meant to go for news. Let's go. Okay. Fucking hell, that's a lot of... Okay, never mind. ISM on Monday. Oh. 2:15 p.m. for JPY. In Tokyo. Huh? That's a weird timing for JPY news. Okay, fairs. Swiss, that's fine. ADP, ISM, and then obviously and go to NFP. Euro Summit was that? That'll be interesting with the current shit with Ukraine and Russia. I've been diving into a bit of a rabbit hole, I can't lie, with the Russia-Ukraine stuff, and it's really interesting. I don't want to dig deep into it, but like with the Trump and Zelensky meeting with Vance, and how like Trump actually... Let me send you some tweets. These are really good.
Bro, cloud show, man.
No. Read this. Oh, fuck. I think I've lost it. One sec.
Bro, if you're trying to get down the rabbit hole, listen to Alex Jones.
Yeah, I remember you said about Alex Jones. Okay, yeah. Have a read of this. If you guys want to have a read, that's a really interesting read about how Trump actually planned that entire conversation. It was smart shit. And then also this tweet. This is how Zelensky actually came into power, and that he's actually just kind of a puppet for the UK, which is why he's...
For the Zionists.
Yeah, let me send this as well. They're two interesting reads. But anyway, we won't get into that. I'm not going to get political and shit. Anyway, right, straight into the trades. Okay. So EA, I had a miss on Friday, unfortunately. That was a pretty clean trade. I can't remember what the fuck we had, but I think it was alignment. Either way, yep, missed, and that's done now, so we can fuck that off. Fuck that high off. I wouldn't really go for these highs now unless we saw maybe a retracement down to the break retest and a strong move in with alignment or something, and obviously breaking this. If we just continued up now, I probably wouldn't take it. I'd rather something like this, break of that, some nice alignment or timing or something like that, and then yeah, sure, we'll give it a go. I look a bit dark, don't I? It's a bit better. Could you get enough education just off this Discord to be profitable? There's a shit ton of education in here, and you can talk to some very good people. Camera not working, fuck off Tux. But maybe not directly from me, but you can definitely speak to quite a few people, and there's some good traders you can learn from in there. And if you network correctly, then yeah, you can get some very good... Whoa, okay. I'm not fucking ginger, okay? That is not ginger. I'm like dark blonde, bitch. Anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna get harassed for that now. Okay, yep. Shouldn't have said that, dickheads. We have that messy ass break retest. It's not exactly the cleanest, but on the daily, I wouldn't mind giving it a go if we have something nice. Okay, the 38 fib is pretty decent because it's a bit of a see, the 1 hour is fucking with my brain because on the 1 hour I wouldn't take that, but I'll probably still go for that on the daily. If we have like alignment timing as well, then 100% I'll give that a go. But on its own, I'd need like decent market conditions, and yeah, sure. Would like to see alignment / timing or good market conditions, and yeah, I'll give that a go. But on its own, just because it was a bit of a shit break, obviously going to the lower time frame, you can just see it's not exactly the cleanest area. We just pissed around there for a while, so I would like to see something pretty decent there. Apart from that, does anyone have any other levels? Leon doesn't sound great. Whoa. Wow. Oh, I'm lagging. Oh shit, okay, great. Oh, okay. Not for that pair. Swing low. Oh yeah, of course it's low, but that is miles away. Mainly looking for trades this week. Apart from that, you have like these little messy zones, that little intra, but I'm not too interested in that. Yeah, that's about it. So nothing else on EA. I'll set an alert and see what happens. EN, I think people got absolutely destroyed with this. Fair play. I mean, going for the high was fair considering saw a smash of that and that, but yeah, it got pretty damn smoked. Every single level got smoked, so unfortunate. Lytix, I don't know if you're trying to piss me off or you're actually being genuine. I can't tell. Stream freezing every 10 seconds. Mate, it is. Okay, one sec. Let me check the YouTube. I don't trust you guys. YouTube looks completely fine. Let me turn this. Typical Ginger doesn't trust his friends. Right, ST, you're getting banned after the stream, mate. I sat in a voice chat and helped you the other night. No longer. No longer. We're not friends anymore, mate. Ian, all these would have been nice break retest levels. Oh, it's on Discord. Okay, you know what? Yeah, that's fair. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, it is. Your stream is currently... Okay, one sec. Let me...
Well, just turn off and turn it back on.
Yeah, I'm going to do that, yeah.
100% win rate.
Sorry, guys. There you go. Let's see if that worked. Hey! It's not coming up with a thing now. Yeah, I think it worked. Thanks, tech support. That was amazing. Mute the stream, though. Yeah, I've muted it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, all these would have been really nice break retest levels, but because we've actually pushed down and now closed pretty much bang on them, I would definitely wouldn't give that a go. No, that's super aggressive for me, ST. Just because we've closed like right above it. Unless you wanted to go for like an intra retest, like 4-hour type thing, then yeah, go for it. But nah, obviously I'm only trading 4-hour on gold pretty much. That break retest isn't too bad. Again, not the nicest break on the 4-hour, but daily doesn't look too bad, to be fair. I would give that a go, especially if we end up pushing below this, not having a reaction, and we see a push into the 50, then yeah, 100%. We have the psych level there as well, which is kind of nice. So it gives us a tiny bit extra confidence, I guess. Entries are always on the daily. I don't really... Well, sometimes if we have a large zone, then I'll go to the 4-hour to potentially refine entries, just to be like picky, but only daily. Basically just entering off of the first confluence. So like this break retest here, I'd pretty much just enter like, what, 2-3 pips above the break retest, bang on probably 40-40, something like that. Obviously, if we then had like, let's say those are EMA, like here, then obviously I couldn't really go anything less because I'm trying to cover all the confluences. Because I don't want price to push down, tag the EMA, which are last confluence, tag us out of the trade, and then work. So I'm trying to cover all of the confluences and give it a little bit of breathing room. So yeah, that's a nice trade. But obviously I would like either... If we do see a reaction off of this 23, that's completely fine, but then I need a decent move into this. I don't know, I want those some, you know, weird shit. I'm not going to write notes for that, that's fine. So, yeah, ping alert on that one. I can delete that alert. I'm not rich, I don't have the pro version, which gives me like 300 alerts. Yeah, it's dependent on the zone or stop loss size. I'm good, man. I trade using other strat. I'm honestly just curious. Yeah, it's okay. What's this tux? What color is this? Whoa. Right, that's crazy. Let's see your history. Where is Bristol, UK? I swear you live in Bristol. Plumbing portfolio request. Gold boiler installation process.
Well, there's no way
ICT trading joke. You get exposed there, mate. Okay, so GA, similar setup. GA isn't that bad. I possibly would take that. We closed 100 above, which is still pretty fine. Oh, bollocks. We can just delete those for now. I'm not bothered about that. The levels are still the same. I don't really see anything else. Maybe that. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Gone. Let's quickly... Are they the only levels here? I mean, you could go for that, but I'm not interested. That's about it for me. Fib. Let's have a look. Valid. Wow, that is spot on. And then you have the more aggressive push, which 61, yeah, sure. How many pips away? 100. I think I'd go for that. That's a clean break as well. Yeah, I'd go for that. That is a valid trade. 23 fib, break retest. Yep. Obviously, depending on where price opens, I'm not going to take that Sunday night. Monday morning is even a push. If we have some weird flows on London Open or whatever, then yeah, I'm not going to take it. Preferably midday Monday tomorrow. That would be nice. What are you saying? EA alignment. Yeah, I'll go over alignment in a second. Let's have a look. Yeah, EA is not as nice, but that can serve with beautiful alignment. Yeah, because that break was messy as shit. So we'll just use this for alignment, and yen's going to be an awkward one. GA will be the actual trade. Yeah, it's nice. I like that. So GA is a decent buy level. Obviously back up around here. You'd also have that wick, which some people trade, but I mean, I'm not a massive fan, to be honest. How did you choose all the pairs you trade and why? So I used to trade like pretty much everything. And these are pretty much the most volatile. They work the nicest. UJ, GJ, move fast as shit. GN, EN, both nice. EA, GA. They're all nice for like counter trades as well. So like if GJ's moving shit, then usually UJ will have nice setups. GA, EA, they move similar. EN, GN, they both move similar as well. GJ, UJ are just like kind of little opposites. GU is a bit boring. It has nice trades every now and then, but sometimes price action is shit. Gold is nice for just taking a shit ton of trades. It's just with a lot of data. That's it. That's how I've kind of just decided on these pairs. Can you explain GA again? Yeah, so GA is the 23 break retest. Fib from here, which is the low, to the high. You can have a more aggressive fib from this, which is like the most recent push up. But this is like the main move. So that's the 23 fib. Because price has actually closed a decent amount of pips above, then I would go for it. But let's say price closed here, it wouldn't be as attractive. I'd see that as quite aggressive because market's going to open. Let's say it opens a bit below. You're taking that Sunday night. I wouldn't really want to go against the market open. Whereas like if you look at EA, this is a little bit more aggressive because we had a decent push up. Market has retraced 70 before it's closed, and then we've only closed 70 above. So that is quite aggressive. And on top of that, we also have a really bad retest. Well, bad break, sorry. So we had a reaction, we pushed up, we pushed back below, pushed up again. Like you've just not really respected the level at all. What we're ideally looking for is just maybe a reaction, but then a clean break. Just no reaction, no like mess around the level, sorry. Just a clean break. So if you go to GA, you can see that. So we're looking at this 23. As you can see, there's a little bit of a reaction before the level, but then we saw a clean break, no piss around. Now that's like a decent retest for me. How many days do you usually hold trades? I'd say max 12 hours. Yeah, I haven't held a trade over 12 hours in a while, to be fair. But most of the time, now that I've refined my pairs to like the more volatile pairs, I used to trade obviously all these shitholes like CAD Swiss and shit, Euro GBP. These you could potentially hold trades for like 2-3 days just to grab 30 pips. So yeah, now it's a lot easier. Like yeah, way nicer. Okay, so ST, what's that? I'm guessing that's GA. If so, then yeah, that's the same setup. Bro annotated possible trade for tomorrow. I miss the trades that took 24 hours plus. Yeah, people used to get stressed. Do you trade with funded or live? Both. Don't you look at AU for... Oh, shit. AU for GN. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So, if we're looking at GN, for example, I'll try and see what the driver is. It's either risk on, risk off, USD driven, or it could be like currency driven. So if it's pound, then I'll look at GU. I can potentially look at DXY as well. If it's NZD, then I'll look at NU or other NZD pairs. If it's like purely NZD driven, I'll look at NU, wait for NU to hit a level, then potentially see a reversal, so on. Just basic flow stuff. Keir Starmer has announced the UK is preparing to put boots on the ground in Ukraine. Now Western troops will be sent to meet God. This is what you want, but yeah, it's an interesting one. I'll have a read about that after, actually. Let me save that one. Oops, didn't mean to click on it. Okay, right, let's get into GN. That music is loud. That's okay. How do you know if a fib is valid? Okay, to really quickly go over it. What you're looking for is for price not to break the 61. So if I was to draw it from here, as you can see, we draw it to the high. Price comes down, breaks the 61. It's not respected it. By respect it, I'd be looking at that like a nice rejection, but it doesn't respect it. So then I'd go for the next low. As you can see, draw it to the high, comes down, breaks the 61, not valid. You go to the next one. If I drew it from here, as you can see, it comes down, breaks the fib. It starts here, comes up, comes back down, breaks the fib. So now you go from this low. It came down 38, that's fine. Draw it to this wick, it came down 23, that's fine, and so on. And that is one of the current fibs. Unless you want to draw the bigger fib, which let's see if it's valid. Did that respect to the 61? I'd say yes. I'd say that's fine. I'm normally looking for like wicks at the 61. If the candle body close, if the candle body closed below the 61, then I wouldn't really look at it as respected. But again, if the wick did like a huge move, then yeah, I also would say that's not respected. So these both valid fibs. This one is obviously the bigger long-term fib, and then that one's the more aggressive recent push-up fib. So yeah, you can use both of those. So looking at levels, let me just delete all these annotations because no point having shit on the charts. Level, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. We also have this, which isn't really the nicest level. This maybe. Let's have a look at ST. Great. Doesn't let me open it in browser. There we go. By the looks of it, it looks good. Let's see. How do I get back to welcome to Fanatic? Welcome. I see, I'm guessing you trade same as this, right? I see you in all the different servers. So straight away, yeah, that's more than a valid trade. You got the 38 fib. Stop loss, bit shit. That is a bit shit. So that's 40. 50. The reason it's a bit shit with 40, by the way, is because I'm also looking at that level. You also got a little wick there. We're not really covering it. You even at fuck all room. So 50, again, not exactly the best, but it then gives it a tiny bit of room. So worst case scenario, we see a bit of drawdown on this. Price taps into this secondary level and we see a move. Even if it does a little bit, then we're chilling. I wouldn't really want to go more than 50, to be honest. If we see like alignment or timing, then I don't care. I'd even potentially go 40. For me, if we see alignment or timing, I'm not really bothered about covering like both levels. It's like this, for example. If I was to go for a sell here, I would normally wait for a breach and go for the top one. But if we have alignment or timing, I'd go for the first one. And I wouldn't be as bothered about covering the entire thing. It's like, obviously, you normally want to cover this high, but if we did have like alignment, then I wouldn't be as bothered. I'd happily just go 40-40. And that's just through collecting a shit ton of data, and that's what works for me. Obviously, you have to build your own plan and collect your data and see which works for you, which setups work, So for this, yeah, 50-50. I don't really want to go more. It's worth giving it a try. If we see alignment or timing, you can maybe even push it for 40, but I'll still probably just stick with 50 because GN moves pretty damn nice. So 50's chilling. So yeah, that's a valid trade. I like that. That is very valid. Very valid. That's if it pushes down. We'll see. Set an alert. Bang. Delete that alert down there. And then apart from that, you got this level, which, I mean, we can start drawing trend lines and shit, but I don't really care about trend lines. No, I'm not drawing shit. Who did you learn off? I learned from a guy called Seb. Like 3-4 years ago. The ghost is crazy. Sorry, did I ignore you? Talking about fibs, but then draw it wrong. Huh? How's that fib wrong? This one? We have 2 fibs with that and that. Are they wrong? That one's fine. Am I being stupid? Yeah. Oh, wrong pink. Yes, it broke the 61. Yeah, no, that's what I was saying before. Would you say that respected or broke? I think that's potentially okay. Okay, that's fair. Yeah, that's fair. If the candle body closed below the 61, then I'm not too arsed. I mean, the total move was 530 and it did 48. If it breaks by more than like 10%, then yeah, sure. But it did less than 10% break and it closed above and wicked off. I'd say that's okay. It's on the edge, yeah, sure, but that's okay. So personally, I'm happy with that. Yeah, anyway, that's GN. I thought so. Okay, right. I'm not gonna go through that one. GJ has been shit recently. Let's just delete a few things. Yep. 61. Look at that price action last week. That price action was fucking garbage. 4 days. Was that Monday? Yep. Absolutely untradeable. That would have been nice as 61 fib. Pretty damn aggressive, but nice. No, was it that? Is that valid? Yeah, that's valid, yeah. Yeah, the 61 fib, but I wouldn't really go for that now. I think this is disgusting price action. I'd rather just wait for a break of either this high and go for one of these, or break below this low and push maybe that one. Yeah, so let's just put wait for break above. What are we chatting rubbish about now? This can't be with Varga. I'm off this. How much do you risk per trade? 1%. I used to be a bit high risk until it kind of screwed me over. Used to go 2% a trade. It's doing really well. Fucked me up. Went back to 1%. Which is obviously way more sustainable long term. I don't want to be stressing about losing a few trades in a row whilst I'm risking 2%. So yeah, sat on 1%. This break retest, unfortunately, it missed. It was a beautiful trade, but it missed by 20 and did 50, which, yeah, that's a no-go for me. But then obviously, yeah, it tapped 1 o'clock, not too bad. Did 60 again, so that was a nice little catch if anyone took it, but a bit of a risky one.
It aligned with Dixie and other dollar pairs as well.
Fair. That's fair.
Big 38, small 61.
Chilling. Let's see if it's okay.
I'm looking at that 61 now.
Does look okay, doesn't it?
Yeah, only with a breach of the 50, so the 38. That's
this one,
yeah,
breach of that. Yeah, that's yeah, 100%. Yeah, I think I like that too. I prefer that. Yep, I'm happy with that.
There as well.
Oh, bit of trendline action.
Yeah, I don't trade trend lines, but it's a valid trend line.
Let's have a look.
More that
Really?
you wouldn't want a reaction.
Oh shit, yeah, okay, fair. Okay, yep, that is actually fair, yeah. I see that. Sending some charts in. This is so interesting, Leon, you was right. Yeah, that's is that the one I sent in? Yeah, it is, yeah. Very interesting, isn't it? Let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, it got the exact same analysis, yeah. Yeah, that's fair. I'll read that Alex Jones one as well, actually.
Bro, he does like calls every other day, like fully going into it, and it's a very he's someone that you can trust with his opinions. They're not very retarded, essentially.
Okay, got you. Yeah. That fucking EMA might be a bit of a ball ache.
Yeah, for
37.
me, I want no reaction from the lower EMA. I want a breach of it to consider my zone.
Yeah, I see that. Okay. That's clean, that's clean. Yep, I'll go for that. That could be a potential Monday trade, that. Where's USD at? Do we have any...
61.
Potentially. For this. Is that 61, I'm guessing?
Yep.
Hell yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's potential. Yeah, it's nice. GJ, no, never mind. GJ's just doing its own fucking thing. Yeah, UJ's nice. See, this is what I mean. Like, a few people don't like to trade them both because they don't want to like over risk on JPY. But I'm never going to trade like both of them at the same time. So yeah, as you can see, when GJ's doing shit, you have some decent setups on UJ, and then when UJ's doing shit, there's some potential nice setups on GJ. Gold is a hard one this week. Are we talking about daily, 4 hour, DJ 1 hour? I'll go over gold in a second. Daily, okay. Okay. Fucking GU. GU. We could potentially have this. I'll mark it out for now. This is gone. I'm not really interested in that. That's gone. That's gone. The 61 break retest, I'm still happy with that. Is that even a valid fucking fib? Okay, yeah, it is. Only just. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm about to draw a trend line. Holy shit. Oh my god, a trend line.
It's a big 38 as well.
Oh my god. Yeah, I was just about to. Big 38, is that a valid fib? Are you drawing it from there?
I would draw it right from the bottom. But it's a round number. Cable loves its round numbers. So for me, that 1.25 zone is only valid with timing or alignment. If you don't get it, then I'll be interested in 1.24, which is the big 50 with the round number and that key level.
Yeah, that one there. Yep.
Yeah, I don't have to be
wide as shit.
Anyways, so.
You saying this one's wide as shit, Lytex? If so, you're tripping. That one's nice. Oh, you're on about gold. Never mind. Ignore me. Yeah, it's clean. Yeah, I like that. That is a beautiful setup. That's actually really nice. Okay. If this fucks me over, I'm fucking off GU. I've not had a trade on GU for a while. That one missed. I wasn't really keen on that one. This level. Yeah, that one missed. Apart from that, I don't think I've taken anything in a while. Switch for GCAD. Yeah, that's exactly what I'll switch it for. Didn't they have there was a trade on GCAD. Was it the high? Break of previous high. We had a 30 reaction push into that. I can't remember what it was. Don't know. But yeah, potential GCAD. Yeah, high on profit taking. Oh, fuck off profit taking. Don't like that. Timing. Okay, timing's fair. Yeah, GU. Beautiful. Love that. Okay, now for gold. Let's try and keep this a bit organized with this shit. Don't know what any of that does. Still learning how to use this thing. How many pips for GU? Let's see. GU, you can go quite low. Obviously not lower than 30, but you can go a bit lower, like maybe it said 35. I obviously wouldn't really like to go more than 40 on GU. It depends, to be honest. It depends on market conditions, if you have alignment or anything. Obviously, it's USD, so we can catch some really nice alignment with even potentially stocks, DXY, depends on what's driving. Bonds, fucking anything. Obviously, we need to check what's happening on the day. I think 35 potentially. Let's check the 4 hour, see where that level's at. Oof. That does look too nice on the 4 hour. If that higher, that one, this one. Either 35 or potentially 40. Something like that. DXY match. Oh yeah, you're looking at, yeah. I can't be asked like noting down the alignment and shit like that. I'll just wait until the setup gets close, then I'll have a look. Because it's too much fucking effort. Do you only take 1-to-1? Yes. Yeah. Maybe I'll take a tiny bit extra, like 40 stop loss, 50 take profit, but rarely. On gold, I'm currently doing a little bit more. Okay, so daily, let's have a look for some fucking setups. See, I'm gonna start confusing the shit out myself with like daily versus 1 hour and 4 hour shit. That's it. I don't see any other levels unless you want to go for like these little break retests. I mean, that one's not too bad considering you have these, so I will actually mark that one. And then we have no trend line. Nope, unless you want to do some trend line duplicate shit. I mean, we'll see what happens, see if anything lines up. No, of course, that's not going to line up. So now let's have a look at some fucking psych levels. 72. You got that with a psych. That's quite nice. What is the psych? 75. I mean, just this zone. I'll put 2775 psych. That's fair. Level in psych. Next one. Yes, I would much rather go for that lower one. Again, that's a level in psych again. And we have the EMA, so this is going to be a bit of a weird zone. 2 levels, 100 EMA plus the psych. I'm not going to draw anymore because there's no point. Did that retest already? No, it's an interesting one. It's done a lot of pips. That is a big zone. Fuck, the daily is big, isn't it? What's this? Sorry. If you only take daily, why do you look at? Oh no, this is completely different. With gold I trade 4 hour as well. So 4 hour setups, but I'm currently testing out 1 hour as well because that works very nice. So I'll enter off of those lower time frames. Draw the big fib that makes the buys worse. I'm honestly not too bothered about if like the fib is like just below type thing. Okay, I see what you mean. We could have a reaction off of like the 50 and it could fuck up a little bit. Okay, I see what you mean. So for the daily, I don't really see anything else. I'm not really asked about anything there. The break retest isn't clean enough for me, like 70 pips. Sure, if we see a decent break of this, push into that, yeah, I'll go for it. The high, again, if we see a break of this, I'll go for that. This has the psych, but it's quite early. So unless you wanted to get a late entry, which could be doable, but obviously we're on gold daily here, so you're gonna have to have like a decent stop loss. You can't really go 40-40 on the daily. That's pretty wild. I'll just put psych. I'll do for now. So yeah, that's about it for the daily. Let me put all of these in the daily section. Oh my god, that's so easy. Turn all that off. Clean. Okay, now I need to do a separate 4 hour one because I've been messing up on the 4 hour trades as well because I get confused. Okay, now let's draw some 4 hour levels. They're all turned off. Let's go. Messy ass break retest. Decent level. Okay, this is going to be a bit mayhem. You have to excuse me for a second. Level. There's no point going much lower. Yeah, those are shit. I won't really go for them. C trader all the way. You making me like TradingView. Oh, what with this thing? Hell yeah. Convert him. That's just had a reaction. That was a really nice one. Fuck. Oh, if that had a... Did that have anything? I mean, you have... Oh, that's huge. I don't really see any other fibs unless you want to go... What, that one? Yeah, no. Didn't have anything. Psych? No. Break previous? No. No, I didn't really have anything. If you're charting on anything but TradingView. Oh. If you chart up on C-Trade, that's borderline psychotic. Yeah, no, I think TradingView. I don't know. I just... C-Trader could not.
I mean, I do know a psycho who trades on C-Trader only.
You did what trade, sorry?
A psycho who trades on C-Trader only.
Oh. I probably remove 4 hour if I start on 1 hour on every account. Yeah, agreed. Yeah, I can't be asked keeping up with the 4 hour as well. I'll probably just remove daily as well. These dailies, I don't know. Now that I'm like, I was trading off the 4 hour. 4 hour was so much easier for entries and management and stuff. Daily is such a bastard for risk management. It's just you gotta go big ass stop losses. Which isn't obviously a problem with gold because it moves fucking 50 pips in 2 minutes sometimes. Yeah, daily does pay, but fucking 1 hour pays. If you can hold a runner on the 1 hour and price goes in your way, holy shit, you can catch like a 1 to 10 in a day. Easy. More than that. Like crazy moves. It's like that that 1 hour sell. Which one was it? Was it that? Yeah, it was this. This one that literally tapped stop loss. Was it that move? So I entered that 61 break retest. It tapped stop loss by what, 15-ish pips? I think 20 pips. And then within what, 2 days, it dropped over 1,000 pips. Bear in mind, I had a 40 stop loss. So that was like what, a 1 to 20, 1 to 25 in 2 days. Obviously, you're not going to catch the full thing, obviously. And you're not going to hold the entire thing unless you wanted to. But yeah, some crazy moves on the 1 hour. 4 hour, yeah, honestly, I don't know if I can be arsed tracking a 4 hour as well. 4 hour daily and 1 hour. It's a fucking quite a bit of effort, isn't it? I do this, right click, create group. 4 hour, boom, done. There we go. Right, now to 1 hour. Okay, so I mean that one works. That was a nice little trade on Friday, just 23 for break retest. We can delete a bunch of these. Delete. That was a fib from this move. 23, just clean. I mean, it was a bit close to be fair. But yeah, it worked nicely. Okay, so yeah, I can get rid of that. Get rid of some of these, and let's draw some new levels. That's valid. That's valid. With the 1 hour as well, I'm not going for like these little shitty levels. I am sticking to the stronger-ish levels, so it is very subjective. Like these, I wouldn't really go for any of these. I'd maybe go for the last one. That's it. I won't go for that one, won't go for that one. You then have like this, you then have that, and you know, that's where it gets fucking stupid. So I wouldn't really go for any of those apart from the very last one. I'm more looking for like obvious levels like that, potentially that. Clean break retest, just clean break straight into it, done. To be fair, that one isn't too bad, but then you've got to bear in mind this. How many pips is that? 85. Oh, that's huge. Oof. Is that? Yeah, fuck. So if you did go like 40, 60, entry about here, I think that's worth a shot. You're technically covering this, and you're covering a bit of that break retest as well. So it'd have to break through this, and then have a reaction off that late retest. You got the exact same one. Okay, nice. Yeah, I think that's worth a shot. Obviously, I'm not going to go for that though, because I'm not going to go for Sunday. Let's see ST. Yeah, fair. That's guessing that's that 1 hour trade I'm looking at. Yep. Yeah, I'm going for, I mean, I'll put my entry a tiny bit below. I know, so yeah, just somewhere around there. Fuck it, it's not going to make much of a difference, is it? Yeah, that's nice. You're going to go for it. Fair, okay. I mean, I'll keep it there just to see what happens, but yeah, 1 hour, bam. That's about it with the 1 hour, really. We can, where did price get to? Okay, it got to that retest. Yeah. There's no point drawing much else. I don't know why not only small risk. I mean, sure, I can put it on forward testing account, but I'm not really, it's not going to make a difference. I wouldn't take that trade. When I start taking these trades on my normal accounts, I wouldn't take that. No matter what, I wouldn't take the trade on Sunday. Even like, well, Sunday night. Maybe Monday late morning, 10, 11, 12, then yeah, sure, but nah. I'm still, I don't know, I'm really fucking close. I don't know whether to start trading this week. I'm kind of a bit impatient, but I think I'm just going to hold out and give it another week of collecting data. There's fuck off talks. To be fair, the data has been pretty good, but I mean, that's back testing. Forward testing, it has actually been really good as well. Let me quickly, shit, that's 2024. 1 second. Wait for it. If anyone makes a single comment about journal talk, I'm gonna fucking kick you out. This is gold forward testing. Yeah, so this is what? Just over a week's worth. I will abuse my power. I've earned the power, so I will use my power. Are you snitching already, Lytix? So this was yeah, gold. Obviously it's not 4 hour, it's 1 hour. I just need to change it and shit. But I'm literally just trading fib and a level. No shit. Level and a fib or level and a breach. That's it. So as you can see, these are very simple trades. 2 missed. And I'm also tracking, that didn't have a 35. Oh, it must have actually. So basically we're looking at having a potential 40 stop loss, 60 take profit. So out of all these, let's just do this for now. Ignore these 2 missed trades. Out of all these, 2 losses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wins, 2 losses. And out of those 8 wins, only one of them did less than 49. Well, only one of them did less than 60. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them that did a 1 to 1.5. One of them would have been break even. So that's 7 times 1.5. That's 7, 11.5, 9.5, 8.5. So that's 8.5%. That's not bad. But I feel like because I'm not actually taking those trades, I feel like it's a little bit unrealistic. I don't know. I hate forward testing at the same time. I need to actually start like taking the trades. But I don't want to go crazy, start taking these trades and then fuck myself over again. But as you can see, the stats are pretty nice. Even 1 to 1, 80% win rate, which is pretty fucking insane. Fibs are doing good. Breach is doing okay. I haven't really tracked the other time in fucking confidences. Oh, I was going to say, why is that not working? So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty damn good. That's 12% total. Obviously, that's not with 12%. Is that right? -1, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, don't know. Ah, shit. Yeah, counted to miss one I did. See you later, Tux. See you later, man. But yeah, anyway, gold's nice. So I feel like I kind of want to just go for it. Just say fuck it and go for it. What do you reckon? Start going for it or no? Not too aggressive, Djon. No, I didn't mean the trade, sorry. I meant, do I start going for 1 hour gold on my account? Well, all my accounts. It's in like all my fundeds. You're gonna wait one more week. Low risk. Could reduce risk and go 0.5. But at the same time, I don't want to fuck around with risk. Oh, no, I think, yeah. Oh. Just go half risk. Could get good R. See, I have like a spare Alpha Capital account. Oh no, you need to trade different pairs. It's not like different trades. Fuck. Oh yeah, no, don't worry, Norman. That's how most people get fucked. Like I've all the back testing, forward testing. You always get fucked when there's a fucking driver. Like here, I'm not gonna mention certain people, but some people like to hold their pendants. Like they have every single pendant. They have like this, and they set every single pendant. Even on 1 hour gold, they'll have like this buy, this buy, this buy, this buy all set. And then when something comes out, they get fucked in an hour. 1 loss, 2 loss, 3 loss, 4 loss. Nah, I don't set pendants until I get an alert that it's like a few pips away. And yeah, I don't trade if there's any weirdness in the market, any flows, any risk off sentiment like this, I'm not touching a single thing. Nothing. I'm just waiting for a clean tech, then I'll go for it. So I am compared to other people, I'm trading it very conservatively, like super conservative. I think, you know what, I'll do 0.5% this week. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna start trading it 0.5% this week, and then if it goes well, like not too crazy, and then I'll go to 1%. Yeah, I'll give it a go. I'm gonna start.
But one thing with lower time frame is you can't miss a day when when it meets your criteria, and just because you're not behind the screen, that skews the stats as well. So you need to be mindful of that.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. And obviously back testing, forward testing data is going to be different because obviously I was taking trades during like Asia and like 3 a.m. and shit like that. I was writing them down, whereas obviously I'm not going to be taking those.
Well, Seb used to trade 15-minute GJ in the beginning. The strategy that we all trade was developed on the lower time frame, and just over time he started going on the higher time frame because you don't need to be behind the charts 24/7. But it does work. You just need to be more mindful of the higher time frame drivers and shit like that.
Yep. Okay. Fuck it, we're doing it. 0.5% to start off with, and then maybe after 1/2 weeks, depending on the data, then I'll go for 1%. I blow all my accounts. Fuck it. Yeah, let's do it. Still 40-60. Yes. After 40-40, I'll put stop loss to break even. Because I've not seen a single trade go back to break even and then work type thing. Because it fucking moves so fast. Yeah, there's not a single one that's tapped technically the 40, gone to break even, then done the move, so I won't be missing out on anything. And if anything, based on the back testing, it does actually save you a little bit as well, putting stops to break even. Yeah, I know Lysix. Bit of a hypocrite, huh? Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna adapt to the journal a little bit, so obviously we can start tracking gold 1 hour as well. Obviously I'm probably gonna have to have a different tab, to be honest, because we'll see. Anyway, I'll sort that out. It gives me an excuse to work on the journal. Yeah, so I wasn't 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Dickhead, how does that equal 12 then? Okay, we got a problem. I'll fix it. February. Defo doesn't equal 12. There we go again. Okay, no. I'm going to leave it on stream now. That's it. All off camera. I'll fix that off camera. Calendar will be fixed. I don't know. Fuck. Are you funded? Yes, I am funded, yeah. Alpha Capital and FTMO. Formula add in other months, maybe. Yeah, I'll have to go, it adds it up here. 8010, which is... Shit, no, it adds it there. Which then adds it there. Fuck off. 8010. No, I'm not gonna, no, I'm not gonna go into that. There's one where it says percentage. Yeah, that means it was a break even or a missed trade. If it just has a percentage, I cannot fix that for the life of me. It is what it is. At least you know when there's like a missed trade or whatever. Remember the days when you left it? Oh yeah, I already read that. How long it took you to pass phase 1, phase 2? Last year, fucking month. This year, I'm still fucking passing them. It depends if you want to go high risk or not. If you want to go, I mean, if you have good stats, you can go 2% risk, and just go for it. I mean, obviously they're 8% now, so that's just 4 trades. I mean, like if you're doing 2% so far, I've only taken 5 trades this year. It's been, I mean, what, 6 weeks in total trading. 5 trades. It has been a little bit slow. February was a bit shit, I can't lie. I did miss like the odd few as well, as in like just not place them type thing. But 3 wins, 2 break evens. So again, like 2% risk, you could be up 6%. Obviously that's unrealistic. I doubt I'm gonna carry on winning a few more. Expecting a loss within the next 2 trades. But like for example, 1 hour gold, you could fucking smash out a funded account in 3 weeks, I reckon. If you want to be high risk, again, you can go 2% risk and 1 hour. Well, 2% risk, 1 hour gold is devil work. But we'll see. We'll see what the stats are like on a gold 1 hour. But that should obviously help quite a few people build their accounts, pass funded challenges a lot faster, and then the daily is just like slow compound. So that's what I'm hoping for at least. On my 50k FTMO, I'm still break even, debating going 2% risk and try and go for it. I mean, if you're break even with 1% risk, what's 2% risk gonna do? You'd be just break even with 2% risk. Changing the risk won't change anything. It's your data and stats. If you're sat at break even, and obviously your trading is a bit break even, it's nothing to do with your risk. My funded account goes 115 trades. That's crazy, Lytix. On what risk? 1% or less? Yeah, sound. Okay. I think that is about it for the week. For the fucking call. NATO is trending. Can't lie, I'm a bit obsessed with fucking Twitter at the minute. It's kind of fun.
Love Alex Jones, bro. Holy shit, it's so funny the way he presents the information as well, and it's all up to date. You know, he predicted 9/11 like 10, 15 years before it happened.
That's pretty wild. I mean, yeah, I feel like if you say enough shit, one of the things is gonna come true.
No, but even in terms of like Trump winning, he's gonna win by a landslide, and the globalists are gonna manipulate it, so he won't win by as much, but he will still win, and then they'll try use Romania as like to start World War III. Yeah, that's what they're doing. The elect PM in Romania is now arrested because they don't want him to win.
That's crazy.
He's very
yeah, that's crazy. Direct links. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into this all shit. Why is Zelensky always in pajama? Because his country is at war and he doesn't care about wearing suits. Apparently. Didn't have time to buy a suit. I don't know. Right, sound. I'll see you hustlers soon in VC. I'll be in VC tomorrow evening, actually, if anyone wants to hop in sometime. Then apart from that, potentially Wednesday. Yeah. Right. Peace out. See you later, Kerr. Boop. Shit. No, I can't leave the Discord. I need to end the YouTube first.